Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is JangMara.Official from 1012, number 14.
And this is my mom. She will accompany and help me tonight.
In this video, I'd like to show you how to make something delicious. I call it a tropical mango drink. Now, before we get into the steps, I'll tell you the materials first. So for the ingredients, you need 1 ripe mango, juice of half lemon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, 200 milliliters cold water, and ice cubes as needed. And for the tools, we need a knife, a spoon, a fork for mashing, a glass, and also a cutting board, but today we'll use a plate instead. And now let's move on to the steps. First, get the mango and cut it into small pieces. You can cut it however you want because we're going to mash it later. Next, put the mango pieces in a bowl or glass. Well, for me, I'm putting it immediately into a glass. Then mash the mango using a fork until it becomes slightly smooth and soft. Make sure you mash it all the way to the bottom, or else there will be big chunks of mango at the bottom of the glass. After that, add sugar and lemon juice from the lemon which is cut in half and stir well. Pour cold water into the mixture and stir until combined. Add ice cubes to make it cold and refreshing. Make sure you don't add too much or else it's gonna spill. And finally, stir once more and serve immediately. That's it. It's easy, it's tasty, and you don't need that much ingredients for it. I make the drink.
Wow. Thank you, honey. Bismillah.
So, how is it?
The combination between sour and sweet is perfect, darling. It's so fresh. The natural sweetness from the mango meets sourness of the lemon created a balanced flavor.
That's it. It's really easy to make, and I don't know what it's called. Okay, see you. Goodbye.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.